So now let's see how we can work with suggestion mode inside of our Google Docs document. So let's say you want to suggest edits to someone else, but you don't want to make the changes. You just want to suggest them. So what you can do is you can change from editing mode to suggesting mode right over here. So now what happens is that if I were to make changes right here, let's say, for example, if I were to say this is a paragraph, you can see that this happens. So let's say, for example, you're grading some papers, you're correcting some student work, or you want to correct your staff's work, then you can see that as you make changes, comments are here. It says replace this is a sentence with this is a paragraph right over here. So let's just go over here as well. And let me just delete this out. You can see that it does not actually delete it. It just says delete sub right here. So the comment is added in over there as well. And then you know what changes is there, just like that. So you go over here just like this and just delete this out, as you can see right here. And you can add in something like, let's say, for example, this is not necessary, for example. Just like that. So I'm just typing in my word right here, and you can see that this is what happens. So you can bold it out, bold something out, even the bold is there. You can color something out right here, and even that is recorded. So all of the changes that you do right here is added in as a comment over there in suggestion mode. You can also access the suggestion mode by going into view, by going into mode, and by going into suggesting right here. You get onto the same mode. Then right over here, if you were to click on accept changes, only then what happens is that the changes is accepted right over here. Usually when you're collaborating though, it is not suggested to click on accept suggestions again, because that just does not let you, let's say, does not let the other viewer actually see any changes right over here. So now what happens is that when you make the suggestions right here, the other user will be able to see it, and once they agree with the changes that you made, they'll click on the accept suggestion mode, and then what happens is that the changes gets accepted and the changes are recorded finally in the documentation, just like that. So that is how you can work with suggestion mode to collaborate between documents and to suggest things in your Google Docs documents. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.